Howdy, this is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics. We're down here in Cleburne, Texas doing an installation at an insurance agency, and just wanted to show everyone how it's looking. So I'll give you a brief tour, show you the control module we mounted along with the speakers, and we'll go from there. Thanks. Okay, so here's the QT300 3-zone control module that we've got all up and running for these guys here at this insurance agency, using all 3 zones, one for the owner's office, a zone for the other offices and conference room, and then a zone for the hallways. So we also have it hooked up to their network so that they can make the volume changes from the computer. So let me give you a little walkthrough of what we've done so far. So as you can see, we got the emitters going into these offices. So rocking and rolling there. And it shoots across over here, a couple in here. And then this is the hallway we're about to do. All the way back to this break room. We've got everything staged. All the speakers put in, putting the emitters 10 feet apart. So it's going to be really nice when it's all said and done. So there's that. Got this hallway ready to roll. Got this conference room. Got 4 in here. So everything's going to plan. QT300, about 30, let's see, 9 times 4, 90, 36 emitters, so everything's going good. This is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics, signing off.